Hey sis, it's your girl, Give You Face, and I am back yet again with another video. So today I just wanted to do something. I have this shirt that has the singer Aaliyah on it, if y'all can see that. But I saw these colors on there and I was like, I want to do something close to that. So this is what inspired me. I did not use the yellow, I just used the pink and the orange. But anyway, this is just a fun, simple look. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And yes, thank you guys so much again for watching, and see you next time. Okay, so first I'm going to be going in with this pretty pink color. I believe it's called Anime, and I'm just going to be going in my crease and just building up that color. And we're also going to be making a little curve at the end and kind of winging out the shadow. Now we're going to be taking this pretty orange color and we're going to be putting it right at the top of the pink. Just winging it out, and make sure they're blended together. Just go back and forth between brushes and blend them together nicely. Now I'm going to be going in with my Rumor 3 base by P. Louise, and we're just going to be cutting that crease. Now I'm going to be using the e.l.f. eyeshadow. It's like the liquid glitter eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using this as my base, and we're just going to be following that curve. Going back in with that orange color, I'm just going to be popping that in the middle and just building up that color. After that, you will see me using the pink on the inner and both the outer corner of my eye, and just following that wing and just blending everything together. Now I'm just going to be taking my NYX glitter, and it's in like a silver color. I forgot the name. I will put the name in the description box below, but I'm using that and just popping that over top of the e.l.f. so it can pop more. I already did my lashes off camera. This is a really simple look. I just really used just those two colors and the glitter, so it is super easy to achieve. Now you'll just see me doing my foundation, highlight, and contour routine. It's the same, so I'm just speeding through some of this. Let me know if you guys have any questions, or if you guys want to see a in-depth video on my highlight and contour and foundation. I'm just going to be using a white pencil and going on my waterline and just lining both sides. And then you guys will also see me adding that pink shadow right below that. Lastly, I'm just going to be adding some lipstick, and this is NYX Cosmetics Morocco lipstick. So I'll just be putting that on, and then yeah, that finishes the whole look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just something quick, easy, and simple. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know what you guys want to see in my next videos, and I will see you in my next one.